Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use module scripts. So, if you get yourself a script and a module script and just put them both in service script service, what a module script essentially does, it's a place for you to store functions and dictionaries or arrays or whatever, which can be called from other scripts, okay? So, as an example, I'm going to start by, if we go into the script here, we'll just create a variable and we'll call it module, and we'll, to get the actual module script, you type require and you go to the path of the actual module script. So now we have access to module script. So if we go inside the module script and we do module, we'll start off by writing a dictionary. So if we do module dot d for dictionary equals, and then we'll just write a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 3. And then if we go into this and we just print module dot d, because that is what it's called here, you'll see when we run our script, it'll print the whole dictionary, as you can see there. Okay, so this could be good if you have an inventory system and you want to store like an array containing all of your items, for example, or the colors of your different items or whatever. That's just how it could be used. But the main thing that module scripts are used for are functions. So if we write ourselves a function, and you start off by writing module the same way as you do with a dictionary, you write function module dot func1, and then you can just write whatever function inside of here. So if we say, we'll just say print test, and then inside of our script right here, if we get rid of this, we'll just say module dot func1, and then what will happen is when we run the script right here, this is ignored, nothing happens with that. And then when line 1 is run, what happens is this script is basically opened up to this variable, and then when it goes down to line 3 and it sees func1 is run, it goes to the module, finds func1 which is here, and then runs the code. Okay? So obviously these work the same as any other function. So if we decide we can do func2 equals, we'll do times. So say if we return, we'll do x times y, and then we'll do pass two variables x and y. So this function right here is just a very simple function that will times the two numbers together. So now if we create a variable called value, and we'll do module dot times, and then we'll do 2, 2, so we're timesing 2 and 2, and then we will print the output. So as you can see there, it's output 4, because what's happened is it has ran the function from here, and then in the module script it has looked at x and y, which have been 2 and 2, it's times them together, returned it, set them to this variable, and outputted that variable just there. Okay, so obviously I haven't really done much with them, but essentially module scripts are just a very clean way to store all your functions, because if you are calling something several times throughout your game, you're not going to want to have to write the function out in all of your scripts. You can just stick it in one module script and then call that module script by using the require from several different scripts. And another main reason that you would use them is obviously if you've got a lot of functions in one script, if you're creating a big system, it can make it look quite messy. So it'll just be a lot tidier if you have all your functions in the module script and then everything else in the script right here. if that makes sense. So it's just a nice way to make sure everything's nice and tidy so nothing's messy. So I hope this was a helpful video, and I will see you in the next one.